quickly tell you what all I use. This is the tail bag by Dirt Sack. It's called Frogman. Let me quickly show you what's inside. This is what it is like inside. It's got two pockets, one over here, and this is the 100% waterproof bag. I have stood under a waterfall with this bag and everything has remained dry. So really high quality tail bag over here. These are the saddle bags by Rhinox Nomad 2.0. I don't know if I have covered the inside of the bag in the previous video, so let me quickly show you what it's like inside. This is how it looks. I mean, look at the material, fit and finish. It's really good. If I were to give this bag a proper wash, it will almost look like a brand new pair of saddle bags, 5 years old. So good quality bag, and this shape is very useful because it aligns with the exhaust pipe of the Duke 390 and it keeps the bag from getting burnt. So side zip, also some pockets on the side, and it's a bit difficult to do this with one hand, but I'm going to try to do this in one take. Plastic bags. I carry a lot of plastic bags because you never know when it might start raining and what you might have to keep dry. So a lot of plastic bags, but these are the pockets inside. Some micro compartments. Yeah. And then it's got two bottle holders, one on each bag, this one and that one. So yeah, you can carry 2 liters of water, petrol, it's up to you. And then this is the Rhinox tank bag. I forgot the name of the model, but again, very useful. It's got a pocket over here. You can carry some pens or keys, keychains. You can lock in your keychains over here. Very nice. This is the rain cover and another pocket over here. It's a very large tank bag. You can carry a lot of stuff in this. So I usually carry my puncture kit. This is a tire inflator by Cubo. It's a must for your bike trips. And some tools. Tools may not go in the tank bag, but these are some tools I like to carry because I prefer getting it done by professionals, but it may happen that I might have to tighten my own chain. So these are the tools required for that. But I usually don't mess with the chain on my own. Gloves, got some side pockets over here. And this is where you can keep your mobile. It gets very hot, especially if you're riding in the afternoon. Long distance adventures, you will be riding in the afternoon. So it's best to keep your mobile inside a pocket connected to your Bluetooth device, so you keep getting directions and you don't expose the mobile to direct sunlight. So yeah, this is the setup. Very effective for long distance adventures. My wife to go to a local market and pick those instead of carrying everything at once. Once you start filling all these bags up, everything gets very heavy. When I come back from a road trip and I unpack everything, it takes up the whole living room. This is a good setup for the Duke 390 or any other bike if you're going to go long distances. This much luggage is an overkill for a 2-3 day vacation, but my bike trips are usually more than 2-3 days.